Come along as we explore Kid Street Playground in Bridgewater, New Jersey. You can truly use your imagination here. As soon as you arrive, you'll spot the incredible wooden forts, castles, and pirate ship just waiting to be explored. First, stop the massive pirate ship, climb aboard, race down the slides, cross the bridges, and imagine you're set to sail off. Next, test your skills on the climbing walls, monkey bars, rope nets, and also don't miss the exciting zip lines. Little explorers have their own special section too, complete with a sandbox, toddler-sized climbing structures, and slides designed just for them. Parents will appreciate the shaded seating areas, nearby picnic tables, and convenient restrooms, making it easy to spend hours enjoying the park. Whether your kids love pretending, climbing, swinging, sliding, or simply running free, Kid Street has something for every age. It's the perfect destination for a family outing packed with adventure, creativity, and plenty of fun. Have you visited Kid Street yet? Tell us your favorite part of the playground.